Our research team works to identify what role genetics may play in changing blood vessels' shape, size, and composition, and how these changes relate to cardiovascular disease. Understanding these genes is key to developing therapies that will positively impact the lives of pediatric and adult patients afflicted with high blood pressure, stroke, heart attacks, and more. The purpose of this study is to identify the genes related to how blood vessels change shape and size in arterial dysplasia diseases like fibromuscular dysplasia, arterial dissections, and aneurysms. Healthy arteries are strong, smooth, and well-formed, effectively transporting blood through the body. Arterial dysplasia causes physical changes to the arteries, disrupting normal blood flow, not related to atherosclerosis or the development of cholesterol plaques. This can cause serious medical conditions such as stenosis, aneurysm, or dissection. We are investigating how these changes relate to cardiovascular disease, such as high blood pressure, stroke, heart attacks, and others. Any adult or child may join the study if they have been diagnosed with an arterial disease related to arterial dysplasia, such as FMD, dissections, or aneurysms. These are also referred to as arteriopathy. We encourage family members of those in the study to join as well. Once enrolled in the study, you will provide a blood or saliva sample. About 4 teaspoons of blood or 2 teaspoons of saliva are collected. A blood sample is preferred. When possible, a blood sample may be collected at your doctor's office, or we will mail a saliva collection kit to your home. Along with the sample, you will be asked to complete 2 surveys. One asks about personal health history, and the other asks about family health history. We also ask permission to review medical records. This allows us access to all testing or doctor's notes for any related diagnosis. By understanding the genetic process in rare vascular diseases, we hope to gain insight into the body's specific pathway that causes the disease. This knowledge is needed to develop therapies aimed at the arterial changes in these diseases, providing support for those that currently are or could possibly be affected by arterial dysplasia, and promoting healthy arteries, which in turn keep the heart, brain, and other organs and limbs healthy as well. If you would like to help us in this important study, please scan the QR code to be taken to our eligibility survey, or click the link below to be taken to our study website.